Hey everybody, listen up. I just found the easiest way to make money, and I mean that. I stumbled on an untapped niche nobody's talking about. And my job is to find these lanes and expose them so you can make money and live the life you've been dreaming about. Come check this out. There's a channel called Quiet Historians with 82,000 subscribers and 55 videos, and the wild part? They started posting 2 months ago. These aren't shorts. They're full-length videos, 15 minutes to about an hour, which YouTube rewards with higher RPMs. They've already passed 5 million views and are making around $6,000 a month. That's insane. Another channel in the same lane has 37,000 subscribers with 35 videos, also started about 2 months ago, and they're pulling in around $3,000 a month. To me, that says, move now, don't get left behind. Here's the real secret sauce. To blow up channels like this, you need engaging scripts that keep viewers locked in. Yes, YouTube is competitive, but with the right niche and consistent posting, you can overcome that. The goal is to build a sustainable channel that brings you views, a loyal audience, and real income. I'm going to show you how to make channels like these using only AI tools. From writing the script, generating the voice, creating the visuals, editing and posting to your channel. And the best part, I found an all-in-one AI platform so you don't have to juggle 5 tabs. Everything's in one place. If you're ready, let's get into it. All the prompts I use are in my WhatsApp group, link in the description. Step 1. Generate your script. Here is the prompt. Give me 10 video title suggestions for a history secrets channel focused on diving into the untold tales, forgotten figures, and obscure events that shape the world behind the scenes. From ancient conspiracies to bizarre inventions, we uncover the side of history they didn't teach you in school. First, pick a topic. If there's a story you've always wanted to tell, use it. If not, grab my prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. Pick a title you like from the options. Next, paste that idea back into ChatGPT and ask for a synopsis so you know the shape of the story. Then, ask ChatGPT to write a 2-minute narration script to get your base draft. Step 2. Media generation. Take your script into Vadoo AI, click on AI Story, go to Text to Video. In the What Will Your Video Be About section, select Custom. Paste your script from ChatGPT. For the voice, pick any voice you like. I'll choose Drew for this example. Now go to Consistent Character. This is optional, so I'm skipping it for this demo. Now you see where it says Duration, you can go up to 10 minutes. But for this tutorial, we'll do 30, 60 seconds. For style, choose Cinematic. Head over to Aspect Ratio. Click on 16:9 for YouTube. Custom Instructions. This is optional tool. I'll leave it blank. Send results to your email. Click Generate Script. Let it build the script. Then hit Proceed. While we wait, don't forget to like and subscribe if this is valuable. It really helps the channel. When the video is done generating, customize it to your style. In Vadoo, it even writes the title for you, writes the description for you, writes the hashtag for you, before you even post it on YouTube. If your YouTube account is connected to Vadoo AI, you can post it directly. And if you didn't like how the images came out, you can always choose to customize it on your own. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I will create a video with a full breakdown as to how to use Vadoo AI for that process. In the meanwhile, to try out Vadoo AI, the link is in my description. Here's how the demo looks.
What if a princess became the deadliest spy of Wabiyewatu? Noor Inayat Khan was born of Sufi royalty and an American mother, raised between Moscow and Paris. A gentle storyteller who believed in peace, until Nazis occupied her city. She escaped to Britain, swapped her pen for a radio, and joined a secret army. Codenamed Madeline, she snuck back into Paris, sending Morse code from shadows. But within days, her network shattered. London told her to flee. She said no. Alone, hunted, betrayed, she kept the signal alive. Arrested, beaten, and caged at Dachau, her last whispered word was Liberté. A radio operator who held a city's hope in her hands. What would you risk for freedom?
If you don't have Vadoo do this, after you've got your long-form video, jump back into ChatGPT and ask for SEO tags, descriptions, hashtags, titles, etc. to support your upload. This is where most people fall off. Time. If you want to grow on YouTube, you have to protect your time so you can stay consistent. Vadoo AI turns a 10 to 20 hour grind, which would include scripting, sourcing visuals, recording, editing, into 10 to 20 minutes. That is not a small upgrade. That's buying back your week. Imagine that. Let's do some quick math. One video the old way would take about 12 hours. One video with Vadoo AI would take about 15 minutes. Now, if we calculate the time you saved per video, that is 11 hours, 45 minutes. 4 videos per week equals a total of 47 hours saved. This is an entire work week. That's 188 hours per month you just got back. Now, think about it. What does that exchange buy you? You have more time to upload more videos. You have time to research better topics and write stronger hooks. You have time to test thumbnails and improve click-through rate. You have time to network, collab, pitch sponsors, or rest so you don't burn out. Think about it like this. If your time is worth even $25 per hour, saving 47 hours per week is $1,175 of value. At $50 per hour, it's $2,350. That's the opportunity cost of doing everything manually. Vadoo AI isn't free, but paying a tool to buy back your time is how you buy your freedom. One solid, monetized video can often cover the cost. More importantly, the time you reclaim compounds into more videos, more data, and more growth. Thank you for watching. If you got value, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you learned and what you want to see next. I've got more niche channels to expose for you.